Hey guys, so I quickly wanted to create a short video to document my journey so far on YouTube. So it's been a short journey, to be frank, but I've noticed certain things, some patterns, and I just really wanted to show you guys what I've noticed and maybe learn from it. Maybe someone can help me out what is happening here. So the thing is, there is something that I call 300 view pattern, which just means if I just go to my channel, I have 3 of my videos. I have 6 videos posted in 13 days, which is, I think, a good number. So this is 330, this is 350, and this one is 308. So if I just go into the analytics here, see here, it is growing pretty well, and then it just flattened out. Just go to this one, more or less the same story. It is growing fast and then flattened out. Okay, so here in 6 days, I've got less than 30 views. In this case, it is in 10 days, it's got less than 40 views. This one is slightly different, but the only difference that I could see, there is a flattening out here around 290, 280 something. It kind of started to flatten out and the number of views are significantly lower. The only difference I can see with this one, which is it's not going like this and then flattening out. The only difference is that here YouTube search is the primary contributor to the views, and in the other videos it is basically the browse features and YouTube recommending it. So that is probably the reason, and 2 of my videos has gone into that. This one has also gone into YouTube search. So you can see the pattern here in both of these. It's not growing like this and then flattening out. This seemed to have some growth constantly. So I think the important thing is to actually go into the search. Like I said, this is very, very early stages for me. And that's a pattern that I've noticed. And so far my journey has been like, it's less than 15 days and I have 21 subscribers, 52 hours of watch time, which is actually great, to be frank. These are low numbers, 21 subscribers. You might think it's nothing, but the fact is 15 days back, I didn't have nothing, right? So this is certainly progress in the right direction. And in 13 days, I have posted 6 videos, and this should be the 7th one in 2025. Today is 4th, and when I post this will be the 3rd video. So yeah, I'm going at a good rate, I think. So that is my journey so far. But if you want to know a little bit about what I generally cover on this channel, it's mostly AI related content. If you see this application, this app, the app in which I have this flowchart, is basically something that I built using AI. I am not a developer. I cannot write a single line of code. I still cannot do it. I have not written a single line of code for this application, and I built this. Okay. So my focus really is to actually help people and motivate people to get started with this thing. The idea is to really learn and build in public. In the process, people can get motivated and start on their own itself. And my target really is to be monetized in 3 months. That is an ambitious goal, but I think I can do it. AI is a very trending topic. There'll be something that will be released or whatever that people will be searching for, and I think I can ride on that. If you really like to learn more about AI and what you can build with this, I'll be creating a lot of videos in that topic, and you'll see me build stuff in public, and that can really help you in your own journey as well. So I would say start building now, because don't wait for the AI to get better or anything, because right now it can do a lot of stuff, and a lot of people are like, let's wait and make sure that AI is perfect so that one prompt and we'll get the answer. Don't wait for that. Just start building, and that's just my goal with this channel. I'll also be making more videos just covering my growth on YouTube. And like I said, very, very early stages. And in 3 months time, I want to be monetized, which means that is 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. Making sure that I post regularly. My goal is to really post at least 1 video every 2 days for the next 2 months and see where we go from there. So if you would like to be part of this journey, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. And yeah, I'll see you in the next.